Hey everyone, have you ever heard of Fave and FavePay and wondered what the difference is? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into these two popular platforms to clear up any confusion and help you decide which one is right for you. Fave is essentially your one-stop shop for all things lifestyle. Think of it as your personal assistant, helping you discover and experience the best of what your city has to offer. From restaurants and cafes to events and experiences, Fave has got you covered. One of the key features of Fave is its ability to connect you with exclusive deals and discounts. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly meal or a luxurious spa day, Fave has a wide range of offers to suit your needs. But Fave isn't just about deals. It's also a community platform where you can connect with like-minded individuals, share your experiences, and discover new favorites. Now, let's talk about FavePay. While it's closely related to Fave, FavePay is more focused on payment solutions. Think of FavePay as your digital wallet. It allows you to store and manage your money securely, making payments seamless and convenient. You can use FavePay to pay for your purchases at Fave partner merchants, both online and in-store. One of the benefits of using FavePay is that you can earn rewards and cashback on your purchases. These rewards can be redeemed for discounts on Fave deals or other perks. Key differences. So, to summarize, the main difference between Fave and FavePay is their primary function. Fave is a lifestyle platform that connects you with deals, discounts, and experiences. FavePay is a digital payment solution that allows you to store and manage your money and earn rewards. While they are closely related, Fave and FavePay offer distinct benefits to users. The choice between Fave and FavePay depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a platform to discover and experience the best of your city, Fave is a great option. If you're primarily interested in a convenient and rewarding payment solution, FavePay is the way to go. Many users choose to use both Fave and FavePay to take advantage of the combined benefits. In conclusion, Fave and FavePay are two valuable platforms that can enhance your lifestyle. By understanding the key differences between the two, you can choose the one that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.